In the last episode of my epic bike touring and paragliding journey, I found this sweet flying spot in Spain where I took off with my paraglider and had an hour-long flight, enjoying the spectacular view over the Balearic Sea, 50 kilometers away from Barcelona. At this point I cycled over 2,000 kilometers and spent countless nights wild camping through Europe. Make sure to keep watching to the end, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and check my adventure from the beginning.
The paraglider is packed, solar panel charging my stuff. I am now heading for Barcelona. I have like 48 kilometers to reach it, this direction. I'm just leaving now the town, Pineda de Mar. It is really hot outside once again. I am 1,500 kilometers away from my destination. Every day a bit, and gonna be there. I assume in like 20-25 days. Depends how much I can ride and depends how much I can fly. Hey! Hi! I'm not the only crazy one. I am 15 kilometers away from Barcelona now. It has been extremely hot, but at least the road was relatively flat. I think there where the skyscrapers are, or the very tall buildings in the background. That's where Barcelona is. I'm happy to have reached so far. I'm going to go to the supermarket once I arrive in Barcelona, and then I'm also going to visit, I think, the most epic structure in the whole Barcelona, which is La Sagrada Familia. Getting closer and closer. These are the outskirts of the city. It stinks everywhere, to be honest, right now. Another 5 kilometers and I reach my destination. Yes, I arrived now in Barcelona finally, and behind me, behind the trees, is La Sagrada Familia. But I'm going to show you this soon. For now I really want to eat something, so I am looking here as if I have the whole supermarket with me. But I'm really hungry, so yeah, I'm gonna eat first. Okay, I have now to bounce again from Barcelona, from La Sagrada Familia. I flew the drone, which was actually a surprise to me that I was allowed to. So here you can see it once again. Yeah, the sun doesn't make it better, but yeah, it's looking pretty nice, pristine. I have now to move on. I have 3 hours of riding until it's getting dark, so I have by that time to be somewhere far away from the city to be able to camp out. I hope you enjoyed so far the vlogs. If you do so, subscribe, don't forget, and like this video, and I appreciate your support a lot. Let's hit the road once again. It is a battle to try to come out of Barcelona. It's just like Marseille too, I remember. Of course, it's a big city. Makes sense. took 15 kilometers to come out of Barcelona for good. I am now on a path, on a bicycle path, close to the airport, and I still have 1 hour of sunlight to find something to sleep. I think I'm going to find something. Maybe again on the beach, maybe not. Let's get surprised.
Good morning, everyone. Oh my gosh, last night was crazy. The airport is behind me and I heard the airplanes taking off, landing, but just for a while. After maybe 1 hour of me hearing them, I fell asleep, and I could sleep pretty good, to be honest, surprisingly. There is someone else with a tent, and there was someone else here with a tent in the night, maybe like 20 meters away from me. I didn't even lock my bike last night. I first started spreading this tent closed without me pitching it up on the ground, on the sand, and then I put this blanket, and then the mattress, and then the sleeping bag. But the temperature difference from the sleeping bag to the cool air of the sea started making like a film of water on top of the sleeping bag, which made the sleeping very, very uncomfortable and damp and moist. After 1 hour of sleeping like that, or being in and out, I decided to pitch up the tent. Yeah, it's 6:30 in the morning now. I am about to make myself ready. I don't have to pack up so much, and head to Tarragona. Another 100 kilometers today. Let's see if I can even reach there, because it's going to be hilly. But for now, let's start the day.
I am ready again for the road. Everything is packed once again. I finished eating, brushed my teeth, did all my morning routine. That's how the beach is looking now, like 3 hours later. This tent is still standing for some reason. I hope they are still alive and they didn't cook inside. It's 9:15 in the morning. I am close to the airport of Barcelona, which is right there over this little forest. I am now heading for Tarragona. Hopefully today I can push 100 kilometers. Let's see. And another plane took off. Nice. Let's hit the road once again, baby. I'm going up again, really bad this time. I am really soaked already. Have to keep on pushing. This is how it's looking like when you're right in 40 degrees heat. Up here is maybe cooler, but down there, when I had to go up the lines like this, the streets, was way hotter than up here. I am not sweating often, and I'm not sweating much, thank God for that, but this is this is absolutely crazy, but also the view, it's so rewarding. Yes, baby. Going down again, and I made myself a new friend there. He's from Germany. I don't know his name as yet. I'm going to ask him. I met him right there where I made a short break, and I was showing you how sweaty I am. I'm going to find now a nice spot. Let's travel in the same direction like I did. Nice. Most likely we are going to hang out for a while, for the, I don't know, a couple of hundreds of kilometers or even more, who knows, it depends. how our wishes are developing in terms of the trip. He also wants to reach Tarifa and from there go to Portugal. We stopped at the supermarket, we had time to eat, to drink, we made a plan, and now we are riding together. Feels good though, feels good. We arrived here at the beach. I'm going to fly the drone soon, but first I am going to go in the water and really cool myself down. 35 kilometers to go to Tarragona, and yeah, leave my bike here. The beach is there. Gonna enjoy myself. Okay, the last 10 kilometers in the evening. I have now half an hour left of riding and gonna reach my destination soon. I am with this guy, with Gregor. We found already a place up in the hills to sleep at night, just 1.6 kilometers away, which is like maybe 10 minutes away from the beach. And we are now riding back to the beach to have a shower and just chill there for like an hour and then go in our camp. So, eine halbe Kilo Müsli jetzt, halbe Flasche Milch.
Just an hour later, after finishing eating and chilling at the beach, we cycled back up the same road to our wild camping spot that we already had found before. This episode ends here, but if you like to stay tuned to what happens next on the trip, make sure to subscribe and come back.